So if you've tried the AnteAGE and you want to see if you can go just one more step, I would like to introduce to you the Biosomes. Now last year, you guys know how heavy I went into the AnteAGE, and I tried so many different forms of growth factors last year. You'll even see it in my videos, the quality of my skin going up and down. That's me going on and off different versions of stem cell cytokines, whether they're growth factors or from plant-based or bios. You guys know how much I love the Pro line, but I was working really, really hard to get the MD line. The MD line, again, just like the Pro, is only available by professionals like myself, and I'm happy to report that I have been signed off by a medical director, and I'm now able to offer the Biosome version for all my clientele. The difference between the two is significant. I didn't think it was going to make that much of a difference until I bought it and I started playing with it and went, oh crap, it is that darn good. But you guys know me, I don't just test things on myself. I have a small group of people, including some of my more medical friends, and I made sure that they had a chance to try it and play with it, and the results have been hands down. Love the Pro, love the Biosomes even more. So what you're getting in this is basically everything, including the kitchen sink, I like to call it. This would be for people who really just, they don't want to muss and buss about the Pro. They want to go right for the big guns. This would be the AnteAGE MD plus Biosomes. Biosomes are just another form of communication. They also have the other peptides. They also have extra growth factors, so it's significantly more than the actual AnteAGE themselves. Both are a two-step system, and again, you don't add extras to this. So I need to be perfectly clear. If you want to know how to put either system together, I actually designed online skincare routines specifically for the AnteAGE, including the new Biosome. So it is available for purchase for those of you who need that little extra help. It's there for you. And it goes without saying, it's skincare. It is not going to replace surgery. It's not going to replace laser treatments or any type of microneedling, but I'll tell you, on its own, it's pretty damn impressive. You add in a few extra boosters for those of you who want to do that kind of technique, you're going to age beautifully. You already are. But I just want to make sure that we're on the same page here. So both options are included on Shop My Shelf. The link now gives you not only access to the MD line for my returning clients, and if you're new, I do recommend you try with the Pro because this is pretty darn significant. However, if you have really aging skin, like 60s and up, and you really want to go further, you can skip right and go right to the Biosomes. If you need help with a routine, please, please, please purchase the ones online. I give you all the details, all the things that you need in there, and it's now available for purchase on my website. So I hope this was helpful. Please write your questions down below. And tomorrow we're going to talk about one more really, really good growth factor, and this one is animal-based, and it's called calcium, and I'm looking forward to sharing it with you tomorrow.